a day like this when Nasdaq keep running up, guys, again, let's look at this chart. As you can see previously, remember we were trading here before, guys. It's not a surprise, but today it's an all-time high with the new presidential election and with Jerome Powell blatantly saying that, listen, I will not resign even if Donald Trump asks me to resign. Jerome Powell just said that. And with interest rate cutting, guys, Nasdaq pushing forward. But just one thing to remember. Remember, guys, right here, we were there before. Pull back, news, you name it, data, just the smallest data the market will interpret and then give you a drastic pullback. And look what we did. We gradually climbed up. And because of the spike, look what we did. We're at the all-time high. Each time we get to an all-time high, what we do, guys, we always pull back. Doesn't take a nutshell to see this. So just be aware of how you trade in the market now and what can possibly happen with this run up that we got from the presidential election and also Jerome Powell cutting. So this was where Nasdaq was trading in. So now we passed this. So of course I'm going to remove this resistant line because we're no longer getting rejected there. So as you can see, we're at an all-time high, guys. So from here is either two things might happen. Is either we can continue to trade in up or we can pull back and consolidate and wait for more news. But there's no better news. Last year, it's the same thing that happened. Market continued to run, and keep running up. So the Fed today, Federal Reserve interest rate cut by quarter points, and the market priced that in. So the Federal Reserve cut by 25 basis points. And what to know before the market closed today, guys? Tomorrow, what is expected tomorrow from this? We're expecting at 8:30 initial claim and continuous claim and FMOC meet. No, this was today. My bad. Let me refresh. My bad. So we got the FMOC minutes today, and also we got the rate cut today, which is 25 basis points. I'm still waiting for this to come back to me. All right, there we go. So tomorrow we're not expecting only Michigan consumer sentiment from Michigan, which is I don't think should move the market by anything. But tomorrow again, market can continue to rally, market can continue to run up, and this is something that we're looking out for and we're going to continue looking out for. But the whole market is at a high. But my number one stock that I'm watching right now today that I missed the opportunity on because again I was at work was Target yesterday because of what Donald Trump said. Target pulled back to I think like $44 a share. And as you can see, push all the way up. But with earnings in the forecast, guys, we're expecting earnings on the 20th. I definitely think this stock is definitely a buy because from here we can push all the way up back to there we go. Market just closed and we're trading higher. We can go all the way back up to $176. Most of the market right now is trading at an all-time high, as you can see. This is SoFi, one of the stock that I've been watching, and also look, this is where we normally get rejected. And as you can see, we're still trading here, and we're yet with all the good news that's in the market. We're yet to go $13, $15, even $18. And remember, they reported better than expected earnings. Their earnings was through the roof. Business is good, but again, guys, some stock will just not go further. As you can see, again, just a friendly reminder, previous high, which is $11.84. We're hovering above $11, which is $11.90. So pay attention to stuff like this, guys. Again, let's go back to NASDAQ where we were trading again at previous high. Here, this was back in July. To be precise, this was July 8th when NASDAQ was traded all the way up here and we got rejected, and it's healthy for the market. So with this, guys, with this run up, I'm happy to see this run up because it shows that we have a strong economy in the United States of America. But take into consideration when run up like this happen, guys, we always have a pullback. And when the pullback occur, where do we go? Right here in SQQ. SQQ is trading at an all-time low right now. But this is where the money is being made. Once the market start to push on backwards, then SQQ will always rally right back up. And one of the sentiment that I think, even though today I was grateful to see this pull back because A lot of people I know is waiting right now to buy a house, but because of the mortgage rate, they're holding back. And one thing that's a strong contributing factor, as you can see, it's a popular quote in CNBC on website because it's staying above $3, which is 10-year treasury yield. Each time 10-year treasury yield goes higher, the market pulls back, and what happened too is interest rate goes up. So if 10-year treasury yield is trading at 4.3, interest rate most likely it will be at least 7.1 or 7.2. So this is what we want to see. For 10-year treasury yield trading below $4, and it's good for the market. But I can tell you, once the market tends to climb higher, once Nasdaq tends to climb higher while 10-year treasury yield is up, when it do go down, I can tell you we're pulling back at least 500-600 points. But prepare yourself for that. So the down pull back a little, the S&P 500 all-time record, Nasdaq all-time record, the Russell pull back 7 points. But these are some of the stuff that we're watching. So again, guys, please pay attention to what's going on in the market. Not because the market is trading high and making new records each and every day, it means that you must be in it. But of course, by all means, look forward, take profits, because when we pull back, we're going to pull back hard. But I'm happy to see a lot of skyrocket today, especially Nvidia. This stock is just a monster. The stock keeps making highs. Look at this. Look at this nice pullback at 132, and now the stock is trading at $148 a share. So these are stuff that you want to watch out for in the market. These are excellent stocks, but I think a fair price for Nvidia was at like 140. So it's super overextended. With me, I took some profit. Even Meta today, Meta run all the way up, but I missed the rally on Meta because, of course, again, I was on the 9 to 5. So with Meta pushed up, again, I spoke about this, as you can see, was a lot of consolidation here where one pullback support, another support, and another a break support right here. And when it broke this support, I thought Meta would have pulled back again a little, but news was good, market was rallying, and Meta took that into perspective today and decided to follow the trend. And as you can see, Raleigh, I think it gained like $19 today. So it pushed up $19. So that was a great run. I love to see stuff like this. TQQ is trading again at all-time highs. A lot of stock is super overbought and super extended. Wayfair, this is a strong support, guys. I can tell you. As you can see, last time Wayfair hit this mark, it traded from here all the way up to 52%. Again, if you can wait, you see push, continue push, got rejected at previous rejection, and then what it did, it came and found its support right back at $37 and then push up. So this can mean that it's going upward or it's continued, but you have to do your due diligence before you decide to take a trade on any of these stocks. So again, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel and let me know how can I help, because market is super overbought, super extended right now, and it's going towards a higher trade right now. Boeing, what's going on with Boeing? A lot of rumors around it. Boeing saying that next year they can beat earnings, but for me, I want to see Boeing trading above $152 a share before I can even take that perspective, or even trading at $166 a share. As you can see, the stock continues getting rejected based upon negative news, negative pressure. At one point, they were trading at 163, got rejected again. And as you can see, this line was drawn because there was a resistance for the stock, but it did not show any potential of so forth. So let's break it down to 3 years. For the last 3 years, you can see it was trading low, pushed up, and then significantly got rejected and traded into the lower point. So I want to see Boeing trading above $160 before I think the stock will be at any good. But they're in a consolidation phase. So from here is either they continue to go up or they continue to go down. And next earnings will be, of course, in January, because they went through that perspective already. But again, guys, until then, I'm asking, if you think I have worth your time or your effort, I'm asking, please, I can subscribe to the channel so we can continue to grow this channel together. Until then, stay green in the market.